Now we're going to talk about algebra. So I'm going to explain this very simple equation. I'm going to talk about this later. But algebra is like, it's not just numbers, it's math with letters and symbols. Usually the letters are to represent the unknown, and we use algebra to know the unknown. So, well, here it's very simple what you can count. So x is, well, it's 4, because 4 plus 3 is 7. How you can do this, if you don't know somehow, you can just take this, move it here, and every time you move something from here to there, if there was x, you move the x here, and if the x is positive, it becomes negative, okay? And other way around. So it becomes -3, and then it's just x equals 4. And if you think, why do you need this, all of this? Why do you need any of algebra? It's mostly for physics and how much money you gain. Mostly just physics. Like very famous is, if I remember this right, yeah, force equals mass times acceleration, and also maybe the most famous is this. This is like the most famous that Albert Einstein did. I mean, we mostly use algebra just to know the unknown, which in this case is x, and here it's mass actually. Well, no, it's energy. Well, we need mass to get the energy. And if you think what the c is, it was something to do with light years. Well, speed of light, something like that. I have no idea how what it was. Well, it's supposed to say a 5-kilogram cat. If I remember right, it has enough energy to power up Norway for 6 years or 5 years, something like that. It has a bunch of energy, because everything what has mass has energy. This is also algebra, but this is like the most known form of algebra. So let us say like 4x minus 10 equals let's say 35. So we move this here, and then it becomes 4x. So 4x equals to 25. Okay, and then we just this means to divide. Well, for Americans, or it's like this, okay? But we, at least in Finland, use only the 2 points. Then it just becomes x equals point. I'm not sure if I'm right. No. Now I'm right. Yeah, now I'm right. So this is like, if you need to know the x, this is mostly just for like, if you have exams with algebra, this is like the easiest way I can explain algebra. Like I said, x or any other letter like y, k, a, b, c, anything, a, b, c, d, all of them represent the unknown, and this is mostly just used for, well, counting, just math, okay? So I'm gonna be back in a rather bit to get you more knowledge. Now we have something a little harder here, like 4x minus 2x minus 7 equals 9. So what did I tell you? What do? We take this, put right there, so it becomes remember, this becomes positive, this number, when it's moved to the other side. So now it's 2x equals 16. So now we just divide and by I forgot. Oh shit. We just divide with 2, or I don't know how this symbol works, because some places use this and we just use this. Okay, let's say it works like this. So 1x becomes 8. X equals to 8. That was shortly algebra for you. And I'm gonna give you something in this middle. Just give me a sec, okay? And now I've come up with a new like equation, I think. Yeah. Let's say 6x minus 8 equals 4x plus 3. Okay. So now we take this, put it here, and we put the x right here. Well, you know. So every time we move, axes have to always be on the left, or any other like letter or symbol, I think. And every not just number goes to the right. So this becomes this equals 3 plus 8. Remember, this becomes positive. So now it's 2x equals to 11, and we just now I'm gonna do this what I use normally in school, just one, and then so just only one x is left, so it will be 5.5 or whatever you use. Okay, I use this. Okay, it's easier for me, and it's probably easier for everyone everyone just from my country. So everyone from Finland, this is probably easier. This is like the basics of algebra. If you ever want, I can do much harder version if you ever want. Okay? That was algebra from me to you, to all my beloved followers and followers. Goodbye.